Okay, so this is our membrane box here.
Yeah.
So zooming in, we have the cell membrane. It's very soft and it can move like that. Okay, so it floats in the water, in any liquid. And then the next thing on our list was the nucleus. Do you see the nucleus? There's a pink structure. Do you see the nucleus? And if we look really closely, do you see some circles? So the circles are little holes for things to go in and out. Because the nucleus is the center, control center of the cell. You understand that? So it's a little brain. It's the boss that tells the cell what to do.
Nucleus, not nucleus.